So hello friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of the SJCAM 4000. Honestly, if you ask me, all this while I've been watching a lot of videos, I mean these vloggers going on bike, enjoying themselves, recording such awesome stuff. I just enjoy watching their videos, never thought I would actually do one. And if you honestly ask me, just a month back, I had nothing. I had no fancy bike with me, not even a proper helmet. Obviously, I never even thought about getting these, action cameras. But here I am, thanks to my beautiful wife. She actually gifted me a Domino 400, and to be honest, it was a lovely gift, a matte black edition. It looks just so slick. I got the registration done just today, so I can start enjoying riding the bike from tomorrow. At the same time, I got this beautiful helmet from Stud. It looks very good and it just complements with the matte black look of the bike. And then there's the box of SJCAM 4000, which we'll be unboxing now. So let's get started. So here we have this box from Amazon. I ordered from Amazon because I was getting it for a bit cheap compared to the actual site of SJCAM. The difference was for around 400 to 500 rupees. So, and it was the same product, right? So I thought, why not go for Amazon. Just for the sake of this video, I've already cut a lot of things. These packing, it can get difficult to open up, so I've just cut a lot of things, and we're just gonna get the box out of this packing. So here it is, guys. SJCAM, it looks pretty good, and looking at the packing, it looks to be pretty original. I did have a fear because when I was watching a lot of videos online, I heard that people kind of sell a fake item in the name of SJCAM. So the branding that you see, I'm not sure if you're able to see it from here. SJ 4000 written on the right side of the camera. So that is something that I need to look out for to find out if it's original or not. So I can see that already from this box. So very excited to open it from the box. So let's start doing it. I finally managed to remove the plastic of this camera box, and so if you see, okay, this is how the packaging looks. It has a branding name at the top. It's 12 megapixel camera, water resistant up to 30 meter. If I turn it this side, it will give the details of the. It has a QR code, and basically you can just download the app using that. Here at the bottom, it has a small hologram of SJCAM, and you can just scratch and check if it's a legitimate or a cheap ripoff of the SJCAM. So you can just scratch this and check the code against the website, so you'll come to know whether it's the original one or no, which is a good thing. I was always worried about that. Here we have the specifications that zoom into it a little bit. So it's giving you details of the camera. So obviously it's a 12 megapixel camera. The lens is 170 degrees wide, and we have a 900 mAh detachable battery. So I'm expecting it to last for at least an hour or so, and that obviously it has certain slots for micro SD, which can be expandable up to 128 GB as per the packaging. On this side, it will give the details of the contents that is there in the packaging. It's made in China. It's imported in August 2017, so not too far, but this is October and it's not too far from here. The actual price of this camera was, as you can see, it's written there INR 999,900, and I've got it for a little over 6,000. So it's a good deal. Obviously, it's the older version of SJ camera. There's a lot of new version that has come up. So we have the SJ 5000 series, the SJ 7 star, and all the others. Obviously, that will have better features, but I think for me, someone who's just looking to start, I think this works pretty well. So without much ado, just let me remove it from its cover. So there we have the camera. So excited to see it. It looks really good. Okay, it's already kept in the waterproof casing that it comes with. So here is a camera, very lightweight, looks pretty sturdy. The build quality, the plastic quality and the build quality, looks pretty decent. And I think at this price point, I think this is one of the best products you can get. Obviously there are a lot of others that I researched on. So another one good that I found was SJCAM SJ, but I thought SJCAM was a reputed one compared to the other brands, so I thought I'll go for this one. So I think so far it's looking good. I'm happy with the build quality. If you open this compartment here, okay, it has a lot of mounts which was kind of given on the box. Obviously I'll still need to figure out as to which piece goes where, because I need to mount it on this helmet out here. I don't think so I can chin mount it unless I'm trying to drill a hole or something, which obviously I don't want to do to the new helmet at this stage. So I'll see if I need to mount it at the top or the side of the helmet. Still need to get myself familiarized. There are a lot of mounts here, which is a good thing. I don't think so the lot of other cameras, high-end cameras, offer that. Obviously when you compare it with GoPro, there'll be a difference definitely in terms of the quality of the video, but I think at this price point I'm happy with what I'm getting at 6,000 odd rupees. It has got a lot of attachments which maybe will help me get the right angle when I'm setting it up on my helmet. Apart from these, you have an extra case out here, and then you have your couple of stickers that SJCAM has sent, and then you have your user manual, which obviously will be very useful, because being a beginner, I think it's going to be difficult for me to assemble all of this. There's one more compartment here. Obviously, okay, how can I forget that? So these are a couple of stickers which will have to stick around, and what I came to know, what these are really good at this. They don't come out easily, which is what is expected, right, when you're riding at high speeds. And then you get a couple of these straps maybe to mount it, I don't know how, and just start shooting. And then obviously you have the charging cable here. So let's remove the camera from this waterproof casing, because if you see, okay, there's a sticker out there, so I cannot test the quality of the video, the actual quality of the video, unless remove it. Okay, here you have this open button which you just need to push. Okay, I managed to remove that. I'm sorry, I was recording with my mobile, so I couldn't. I had to keep the phone side. So I've opened this case finally, and I'm just trying to get the camera out of the case. So here is the actual camera. Looks pretty good. It has a matte black finish, a very rubbery feel to it, so it helps you grip it properly. Very compact. Okay, obviously it has a few buttons out there, the power button definitely, and the functions of which I'll be going through after I go through the manual. It has certain volume rockers and other buttons on the right hand side. The USB and the connection for the SD card out here. Yep. So yep, I think I'll be making the video of how this works a little bit later, but right now I just wanted to show how the unboxing looks like and what all detail contents you get, okay, in this packaging. So once I start recording few things, I can just show you the actual quality of how things look on this SJCAM. And yep, so thank you guys for this, and hope you guys have a wonderful day. Ta-da.